In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a basic print then cut on a Cricut. You can do this on their Explore Air or Maker machines, but unfortunately not on the Cricut Joy. I'm going to show you how to personalize these jewelry display cards, but the method is still the same for any item that you want to print then cut. If this is your first time doing a print then cut, I recommend calibrating your machine. To do so, go up to the hamburger menu, which is the 3 lines, click on Calibration, and then Print Then Cut. I'm not going to go through this today, but it's pretty easy. You just need to follow the steps on screen, and this will set you up for a precise cut. So I'm starting with a blank canvas, and I go to Upload. Firstly, I'm going to upload the SVG file. This specific SVG file is part of a bundle I sell in my shop. So if you're wanting to make these, I will leave a link in the description box below. Now I will upload my images. Just a quick note about the image that you need to upload. For best results, you need to upload a high resolution image that is in PNG format and not a JPEG. PNG images usually have no white background, whereas a JPEG usually does. If you are new to graphic design, you can use a program like Canva to make your own designs, or Photoshop if you're a bit more advanced. You could also purchase graphic images like I am using from places like Etsy, Design Bundles, or Creative Market. The image type I always select no matter what image I upload is complex. This will keep as much detail as possible. So you can see that my image is good quality, but if you have sections you don't want to include, you could just select these sections and remove as much of the color as you can. This works well if you only have a JPEG image and it comes with a white background and you need to remove that white background. You can do that in Design Space. But as my image is clean, I'm going to continue as is. Select Print Then Cut Image and then Upload. So that's the flower, and I am now going to do the same with my other images. Once everything is uploaded, select all elements and add to your blank canvas. I go through all images and resize them to fit inside the display card. I also make sure that they are centered correctly. Once they are where I want them, I change the display card color to white so my printer doesn't print the pink color. Now select all layers and click on Flatten. From here, you click on Make It. Now I'm only going to make one today, but to save paper, you can make duplicate copies before clicking on Make It. So you could print 4 or 6 of these on this cardstock. In this screen, you will notice that there is now a black box around the display card. This is a sensor line and will help the Cricut know where to cut. Click Continue and then Send to Printer. I like to uncheck the bleed option as it makes the image blurry, and I always use System Dialog to see my printer options. Click on Print and print your design on white cardstock. Place the paper in the left corner of your cutting mat and feed it to the Cricut machine. The machine will scan for the sensor marking and then cut around the image. Now you can go ahead and assemble your project. The print then cut is a wonderful feature. Let me know in the comments if there is a specific print then cut project you would like to see a tutorial for. I will leave the template and material links in the description. Give this video a big thumbs up if it's helped you, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more helpful video tutorials as they become available. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.